Welcome to today's science lesson on laboratory equipment and their uses. In this presentation, we'll explore the different tools used in a science lab and why each one is important. Laboratory tools help scientists work more accurately, stay safe, and complete tasks faster. Each tool is specially designed for a purpose. Let's take a look at some common laboratory apparatus and their uses. First is a beaker. A beaker is a basic lab container with a flat base and a small spout. It is used for holding, mixing, and gently heating liquids. Test tubes. Test tubes are narrow glass tubes used for holding small samples. They are especially useful when heating small quantities. Next is Bunsen burner. The Bunsen burner provides heat. It connects to a gas source and produces a hot flame for heating substances. Measuring cylinder. To measure liquids accurately, we use a measuring cylinder. The tall shape and marked lines help scientists get precise volumes. Let's look at the tripod stand and wire gauze. The tripod stand holds containers above the Bunsen burner. A wire gauze is placed on top to spread the heat evenly. Conical flask. A conical flask is ideal for mixing without spilling. The narrow neck also allows for heating with reduced evaporation. The crucible and lids. Crucibles are small ceramic containers that hold substances when heating to high temperatures. The lid helps contain the heat. Evaporating dishes help remove water from solutions by heating. Watch glasses are used for viewing small reactions or covering beakers. Next is thermometer. A thermometer measures how hot or cold something is. The liquid inside rises as the temperature increases. Funnel and filter paper. Funnel helps pour liquids safely. When filter paper is added, it separates solid particles from a mixture. Tongs and test tube rack. Tongs are used to hold hot containers like crucibles or flasks. A test tube rack supports test tubes during experiments. Droppers and pipette. Droppers and pipettes are tools used for moving tiny amounts of liquids. They allow for precision, especially in titrations. Mortar and pestle. The mortar and pestle are used to grind solids into powders. The balance is used to measure the mass of substances accurately. Spatulas help move powdered substances. The stopwatch is essential for timing reactions or intervals. Lastly, safety goggles. Goggles are crucial. They protect your eyes from splashes, fumes, or flying particles during experiments. Safety first is safety always. Now, let's take a look at some laboratory safety measures. Always follow lab safety rules. Wear goggles and a lab coat. Use tongs for hot tools. Label everything clearly. Report broken tools immediately. Let's test what you've learned. Question 1. Which equipment is best used to measure the volume of a liquid accurately? Question 2. What is the function of a Bunsen burner? Question 3. Which equipment is used to hold a test tube upright during an experiment? Question 4. Which tool is used for grinding solid substances into powder? Now for some short answer questions. 1. State 2 uses of a conical flask. 2. Why is filter paper used with a funnel in the lab? 3. Mention 2 safety rules you must follow when working in a laboratory. Take a few minutes to write your answers. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.